Hey guys, welcome back to the system, right? I'm going to show you how to start using the platforms. The first things first, you might see expiration notice on the top of your account. Please ignore it. Just it doesn't matter because it says you might have 4 or 5 days left. Ignore it. You will be activated and that notice should go away in just a few days, okay? And the first things first is we have to add your Instagram account. When you log in for the first time. Keep in mind to read these things. If you have two-factor authentication, please turn it off because you won't be able to use the system. And make sure you know your password, username and password right here. Okay. And a couple of other tips and information for you guys. Sometimes it might block you from logging in, and it will tell you go check your email for verification. In that case, go check your email and click on confirm email. It's going to ask you if that was you who tried to log into the system via this platform. Say yes, okay? Again, like I said, say yes. Secondly, let's go and enter the username and password right here. And I think that's my thing right here. I just want to make sure I made it. Okay, it is. And put your password here. Now it says optional for proxy. It is optional, but we have taken the we are trying to help you guys out, and we have added proxy on the system. So the system does have proxy already added, and it's going to assign the proxy to you for sure. But keep in mind that proxy is shared between just few people. So if you want to use your own proxy, go ahead. But like I said, you don't need to. You don't have to worry about it because we've been using this for a long time. And as long as you're not doing anything bad, like spamming the hell out. If you're not following directions, you might have issues to log in here. But if you do have issues to log in here, just reach out to us and we can switch your proxy to a different proxy. But just go and enter your username, password here, and click on add account. Give it a couple seconds, minutes, and very good. Now it says what do you want to do. Just click on add a post. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to start using. So add a post. Again, like I said, it can allow you to upload a post, and you can even modify, edit with the photo editor right here if you want to. Right here, but I'm not gonna worry about that. And just select it right here. Okay, and we can add a caption here as well. So test, amazing like this, and select your account, and let's go ahead and try. You can schedule it. Now if you schedule it, what you can do is you can also add your location here. So Dallas, right here like this if you want to, and you can schedule it or just post it right now, like here. Just very easy. It does take few minutes, few seconds. Just keep that in mind. You can add a story here as well. It has posted it. If you go here, you'll see it did post it. Add a story, the same thing. A story, adding an album. Okay. Calendar has what you did, so it'll show you what you did for that day. Caption, it's a very useful feature actually. So if you click on add new, so motivation. Okay, so Monday motivation. So basically the idea here is you're gonna go and create a caption. You're gonna go ahead and add these tags, whatever you want. So it's a template, okay? So you can use it. So that makes it, it'll show up right here. A lot of times what happens is if you delete something, if you typed up all this information, then it's gonna hurt you, okay? I mean, you won't have it. Say you have to redo it. We'll not do this anymore. First comment, you can have the first comment written here for you as well if you want to be the first one. Caption is right here. Stat, it's going to show you stat about your account. It's a brand new account, so nothing here. Inbox DM will allow you to check your messages. Let me see if I can send a message here. Oh well, but it will show you the message. I showed that to you on the front end. This is a brand new, so to show you how everything works. Auto follow, click on the, make sure to click on the account. So basically it's going to go ahead and you know, people hashtag. It says it has some Spanish a little bit. Just ignore it. It doesn't really matter, to be honest. It says Pesquar Paris. It just means enter one at a search one. This right here. This is the same thing. Ignore that Portuguese right here. But enter like a term, okay, or a hashtag. For example, enter hashtag. So you can do hustle if you want to, like this. I think you get the idea, right? Now, velocity, I don't want to do it very fast. Automatic is the best, probably. Auto, you make sure you want to activate it. Gender, who do you want to, who do you want to auto follow? Just male or female, has a profile picture, yes or no? Yes, right? If you want to skip business profiles, how many posts should they have at least? Should they at least have 5, 7 posts? How many followers should they have? Maximum, minimum, follow minimum, all that stuff is right here. Okay, like count, you can do all these things, how many counts they have. So for example, it's going to find hashtags for hustle, and it's going to see how many like counts it has, you know, right here. You can blacklist some things right here as well. Okay, and it's going to show you activity logs when you're done with it. Okay, now rest of the features are pretty much the same thing. So you come here, select what you want. Now view story is pretty much a really cool feature because it allows you to view other people's story without you looking at it. So it's going to just randomly check on people's stories so that your name will pop up on their list of viewers. Auto like, again, same thing. Click right here. Auto comment, exact same process. I think you guys get the idea, right? What you want to comment, it's right here. Auto DM, it's a really cool feature. So the way it works is when somebody, I would do like very slow. So the way it works is when somebody new follows you, you can go and add a message for them. It'll go and send them a message directly on their inbox automatically. Pretty cool. And post manager, it's nothing fancy. It just lets you see what's going on with your post. So post here, you can delete it. You can pretty much optimize your entire thing. So let's take a look at this account, right? It's like this, right? We can edit our thing like this. And if we go back here, it should be updated. There we go. It is updated. Oh, that's not a valid website. You get the idea, right? So that's the whole thing. You can delete things. Take a look at all these things right here. Auto repost if you want to repost something again. If you want to repost somebody else's information, you post and stuff, you can. Boost is very cool. Boost is it's going to allow you to get more people to follow you. It's a very different kind of stuff. Let's click on the username first here. So what you want to do is now first of all find hashtags or person or people right here, and then how do you want to grow your profile, right? So all these things, just go ahead and set it up. Once you set it up, it's going to pretty much start going to liking things. It's going to, so you're going to get more followers for sure based on places, people, stuff right here. And that's pretty much it. Just try it out. You're not gonna make any mistakes. Just have fun with it. The only thing I want to go ahead and let you guys know is make sure to the time zone is correct. Okay. And lastly, don't over spam people, because this is not really meant for spamming. I want it to actually help you guys grow. I mean, if you spam the hell out, you're gonna have problems. Okay, so please don't do those kind of things. Use it for the good purpose. Okay, you'll be fine. And don't try to do things fast. Make it auto or slow. Okay, you will be better off. Thank you so much. If you have more questions, please let me know. Let us know on tickets. We'll also go and answer more questions on webinar as well.